Welcome to The Explainer. Let's break down this massive AI shockwave tearing through the global workforce right now.
Forget the future. The AI revolution is already here, and man, it's moving blisteringly fast.
In just 3 years, a staggering 55% of US jobs will be totally and fundamentally reshaped.
Even crazier, up to 15% of current roles face complete, absolute elimination.
But take a breath. AI mostly eats up repetitive tasks. It rarely swallows entire jobs whole.
While nearly half of all roles face major disruption, a huge segment actually stays completely insulated.
Fixed demand jobs will shrink, for sure. But roles creating expandable value, those are going to absolutely explode.
Naturally, all this automation is spiking job insecurity and really crushing employee morale across the board.
So what's your defense here? We've got to immediately pivot to the human edge. The secret? Doubling down on those messy, profoundly human traits that machines literally cannot master.
Core hard skills like deep emotional intelligence and true empathy are your ultimate shields against replacement.
AI spits out infinite data, right? But businesses desperately crave humans who solve actual, real-world problems. We have to move past just giving answers. Your real value is fixing broken, complex workflows.
And don't forget communication. Explaining ideas with empathy and genuinely influencing folks is a modern superpower. In fact, compelling face-to-face connection is going to command a massive premium in almost every industry. All this fuels the ultimate meta skill for the modern era, simply learning how to learn. Stop trying to outcompute the machine. Start experimenting daily with tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney instead.
Treat AI literacy exactly like internet literacy. Embrace it, work way faster, and unlock incredible opportunities.
The tech is already here, so are you going to stubbornly compete against AI or evolve alongside it?